Yo, what's up? It is Instant here, and I made some record microscopy observation of physarum polycephalum, and soon I will do some Bathemia ultricularis. I tried for this many times to record their active plasmodium, but I always did some problem with it, and now I see myself very stupid that I didn't figure this myself out sooner, because I don't know, it's almost half a year while I am trying for this sometimes, and I just tried things like lure the plasmodium on the preparation glass while it is still in the petri dish with some oats and so on, but after a while the plasmodium gets dry, and it just dried out, and it was boring to watch during the microscopy, so it was not active as it is normally. So at this time I finally figured out how to do it, and I used agar. For a long time I didn't use agar for those slime molds, and now I was thinking if it can really be seen through the agar, and yeah, I can show you how it is seen. I'm surprised it is quite seen pretty well, so yeah, I am happy for what I did record. And yeah, that's everything. well, I feel like I should explain you what slime mold actually is. And I have from slime molds Badhemia ultricularis and physarum polycephalum. Slime molds are protozoans. It is not fungi, it is not an animal or plant. It is something from which we probably, some of us, evolved. And fungi and plants also. It's like a little bit simpler organism. Protozoans are a category of life where are single-celled organisms, and one of them are slime molds, as I said. And slime molds are amoeboid organisms, which means they are organisms which looks like slime. Yeah, it has like really little pseudopods, which are like little grabby legs, or how to say it. It's just small organelles on the cell, thanks to which they can grab things and move slowly. For those likes not educated in biology, it just looks like slime, like jelly, which is grabbing things, moving and so on, like those small slugs without shell but are just single-celled. And actually those slime molds like physarum polycephalum and Badhemia ultricularis are just one big cell which have more nuclei. This cell can be big like 30 square meters. They move by contraction of their muscles in cell of proteins, and they can make something like pumps. That's something what I wanted to just observe by a microscope, how it contracts its parts and moving the fluid through their channels. That's everything what I wanted to say. Maybe if you have some questions, keep them in the comments and I can answer them. Okay, see ya later.